Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Ultimately by Khalid Dreams on the ukulele. We'll start by mastering the 4 essential chords you'll need. These are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Take your time to get comfortable with each shape, making sure every note rings out clearly. Practice switching between them slowly at first, building up your speed and fluidity. This foundational step is crucial for playing the entire song with ease and confidence. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern for Ultimately. The main pattern is a simple yet effective down, down, up, down, up. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and your movements fluid. You'll want to practice this pattern repeatedly, starting at a slow tempo until it feels completely natural. This consistent rhythm is key to capturing the song's laid-back and dreamy feel. Remember, a steady strum makes all the difference. Now that you have the chords and strumming down, let's look at the song's structure. Ultimately largely follows a repeating 4-chord progression, making it quite accessible. A great practice technique is to play along with the original song, perhaps using a tool to slow down the tempo initially. This helps you internalize the timing and feel. Focus on mastering one verse or chorus at a time before attempting to play the entire piece seamlessly. Patience is your friend here. To truly polish your performance of Ultimately, pay close attention to the original recording. Notice the subtle dynamics and how Khalid Dreams delivers the song. Using a metronome is an excellent way to ensure your timing is impeccable and your tempo remains steady throughout. Once you're comfortable, feel free to experiment with slight variations in your strumming to add your own personal touch. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the process of bringing this beautiful song to life on your ukulele.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.